G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Today's May the 5th, 2023. This is the Nat Gas price update. On the weekly and a daily, the weekly shows a bearish momentum and the daily is uncertain. But that looks like it may be changing, so let's have a deeper dive. On the weekly, first off, we look at the triple moving averages of the price chart. It's triple average moving averages of 60, 3 and 5. And of the CCI 150, that's 50 and 5. So they're both in a bearish momentum, so predominantly short trades only on the weekly, based on the weekly. On the daily, slightly different story. We've got the same methodology. You'll notice there is a conflict between the CCI and the price chart. The CCI is showing a bullish momentum and the price chart is showing a bearish momentum. Now, as I keep saying, for this divergence to work, we need to see the price break to the upside, with the CCI also breaking to the upside. And for that to happen, we need to see the price break above this initial resistance at 25.04, but ultimately above this 30.50 resistance. For it to fail, we need to see the CCI break to the downside, and that will confirm with the price also breaking through this support at 20.64. Now you'll notice, if I zoom in here, it's sitting on this diagonal trend line, which we drew some time ago. And if I zoom out, that trend line is based on those historical lows. So it's that black thin line there. So currently it's sitting on that diagonal trend line. Now you also notice the CCI is starting to bend down slightly, and that's a weakening sign, obviously. So if it breaks to the downside and the CCI breaks down, then we're going to see the CCI fail to give us, fail, in which case it'll go more bearish. So at the moment, that's where we are on that. Now, if it does break below these support levels, I've also drawn this Fibonacci extension, so from that high to that low and that little rebound. And I've actually, if I zoom in there, you can see there it's actually given it a projection of 100%, or it's one-to-one projection, which is about at the 1520 level. Or if it goes below that, we're looking at the 161 level, which is around about the 915 level. So at the moment, predominantly, hold off, because our indicators are showing a neutral stance on the daily. So predominantly, but on the weekly, it's showing a bearish movement. So hold off any trades at the moment. On the hourly or any smaller time frame, we look at that in more detail. You can see there again, it's resting on that diagonal trend line, and the idea, one trading idea would be when it does break below and it gives us weekly and daily short signals. One trading idea may be you take short trades when the candle breaks below the fractal, like it did there, like it did there, like it did there, and you take small incremental gains and profits. So, and the opposite is true for going long. You take it when the candle breaks above the fractal, like such as there, 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 and so on. So, to understand that and other trading ideas, you can subscribe to my Patreon page for exclusive access to weekly stock scans. And we look at the various average down strategies. We scan for stocks, currencies, and commodities. Subscribe, like, and share the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in a future video.